got that joint up in that motherfucker. That motherfucker sound hard. Tried to do a quick little, oh shit. Tried to do a quick little something. That shit is hard, bro. You about to have my YouTube going up, man. Yeah, everything's regular. Yeah, just how I sound, everything's regular on YouTube and Instagram. Yeah, I'll follow you, bro. All right. That motherfucker is hard. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. We racing lands and shit out here, man. He digging in that bitch too. Damn. What's up, guys? We are back with another everything's regular video, man. We here back at the junkyard. About to see if I can just find some Camaro stocks really quick, and then it is a locksmith place over here, so maybe we can get a quote. We already know we got the ignition for 35 bucks, but maybe we can get a quote on getting it installed of some sort. So let's do that. Check it out, man. Alrighty, guys, back here. We really just came to see if we can find like at least 3 more stocks or a set of new ones for the Camaro. I found a set of like SS stocks from like a 99, which are really the ones I want, but they like 400 right now, and I really don't want to pay 400 just for the wheels right now. So just trying to see what they got up here, honestly. You guys see we're back in Camaro land. Back in Camaro land. Got the LT. We're looking for like a 01 and up type, like snowflake type of wheel. And I don't think we're gonna be able to find one, but it might be worth the drive. We got 2 matching wheels here, 3 matching wheels. I don't see a 4th. All right, so let's see 1 wheel like that. Let's see 2 wheel like that. So if we can either find 2 of those or one of the other ones from the Trans Am, we might got some action here. Alrighty, guys, looks like we found a 4th rim on this Trans Am. Found a few of them, so we got a full set. I don't know how much the wheels, oh yeah, we got a full set on this car. So I don't know how much the wheels are gonna be. We're gonna go check it out and see how much it is. So we got 1 good rim, good tire, 2 good rim, good tire, 3 good rim, good tire, and the other one, I don't know if the tire is good on that one, but alrighty, guys, that was pretty much gonna be like $48 a tire, so pretty much $195 for a whole set of 4, which isn't bad. But I kind of found some like 22s for like 200 bucks that'll look really nice on there. However, I honestly feel like I just want to spend the extra 200 and get the ones I really want on there, because you know them things is on there and it's riding nice. I really don't mind keeping it. It's just like right now it looks so ugly, so I'm like trying to like get out of it type. If you, oh yeah, I forgot the locksmith is there. Oh shit, so much for that camera. I gotta go to the locksmith. Forgot all about that. Man, we went to the junkyard yesterday. It's like daylight savings now, so it's about 7 o'clock, which is really about 6 o'clock. But I'm an early person, I'm literally always up at like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. So this is just better for me. So now people can't complain about it being too early or something. Let's get that start. Need to go get some gas. So we got this thing back to the working space. We got our headlights do work, so that's a plus. We found some stocks at the junkyard. They wanted like $192 for all 4 Trans Am stocks. I actually found some chrome ones. He wanted like $140. Might even be able to get them a little cheaper, but I kind of really want those specific Fed stocks that I seen for like $400. I'm honestly kind of just thinking about hanging on to this thing, getting it all like done right, and then just sell it like in a couple months when it's all like super put together and everything. We can just take a look, make sure there's no leaks or anything like that. So that's a plus. Running real good. And guys, as I'm driving it, I am feeling a lot more comfortable with it, man. Like I'm getting used to this stiff steering wheel, unfortunately. But I mean, it's running, so that's better than nothing. We just about to go get some gas real quick because we got the check gauges light on along with like pretty much every other light in here, but we'll just get some gas so this thing won't die on us or nothing like that no time soon. Keep some fresh gas in here. But we got the heater on, the heater's working. We just looked under the hood. The AC's not even hooked up at all. I doubt it was like that, but I mean, what's up guys? Later on in the day here, man, we was working with the Camaro a little bit earlier, just driving it and getting gassed up. We actually found some ZR1 stocks for it on OfferUp. I just happened to look on OfferUp today, and they was staring me right in the face. On the post, dude said he wanted like $350. I told him I'll give him like $140, and I told him I'll give him $140 in the wheels that's already on the car. So that was our deal. So I'm about to go pick up these wheels right now. I didn't take mines off just because I don't want to leave it on jack stands in my apartment complex with like no wheels on it. I'm just about to go grab these wheels, shooting 200, and then when I take the wheels off and bring them back, he'll just shoot me the 50 back. So let's go do that, pick up these wheels, man, and try to get this thing looking better and hopefully get it sold pretty soon. I honestly want to keep this thing, but I mean, you know, money talks, so it is what it is. But we're just going to keep trying to improve it to get a little bit more bang for our buck out of it, man. So let's get it. Just pulled up to the guy's house, and he's already getting the wheels off the car, so that's a plus. So these is the wheels that we about to grab and throw on there, man. Nice little vet stocks. I've been looking for these wheels since my last 4th gen, man. Oh yeah, and you got the carbon fiber SS wing on there. Yeah, these is hard, man. What y'all think about these, man? Just like that, man, we got the ZR1 stocks for the Camaro, man. That just upped our price about a good, at least like $600 easy. So now we're gonna want $4,000 for this thing with these wheels on it, with brand new like Eagle F1 Sport tires on there. So that's a plus, man. I can't wait to get back home and mount these things up. We're definitely on the north side, far as heck from our house, but it's definitely worth it. So we're gonna take the wheels back, put them on, take the other wheels off, load them up, come back, get our 50 bucks back, and go to the other auction. Sounds like a lot, but it's not that bad. So let's just get back to the house, swap these out, and get on with our day. Alrighty guys, it is a little windy out here, but we did get back to the house, and let's get these wheels on here, man. Let's get this thing jacked up and get the wheels on there. So change of plans, man. I don't have the wheel lock. Apparently these locks have like, I don't know if you guys can see or not, has like slits in the actual lug nut. So you can't put a regular, like one of these ends on there. It's got to be the actual like wheel lock for it. So unfortunately we got to go find, I think I left it at the swap land, so he's not answering. So I think I'm gonna have to go to O'Reilly's real quick and try to find something that may work. So let's load these wheels back up in the car and see if we could possibly get them on or not. I'm not sure, but we'll see. So we got the lug nut we was looking for, $7. It's better than having to drive like way down there by the Palms anyway to get this, so that's a plus. So we got that lug nut, man. It's time to go throw them wheels on that jump, man. Oh, time to go throw them fucking wheels on that bit, you know what I'm saying? And we still starting it with a screwdriver, but who really cares, dog? Who really cares? Me. Damn, I need that fucking mount change, dog. I can't do this. When I get these wheels, I'm really gonna do that shit because I can't do it. I need new brakes and all that. This brake is damn near going to the floor, but it's all right. It's all right, man. I can't wait to get back home, man. Got these ZR1 wheels, man. These are stocks I've been looking for, guys. Now, if I was just so lucky, I would find like a center mount. If you guys know anything about the 4th gen Camaros and the SS's, you know about that rear exhaust center mount, the CME exhaust. Oh my God, Now, if I get that center mount exhaust, this thing is gonna be like a $10,000 car. No, I'm just playing. It's gonna be a really nice car if we can find that, but I don't think we're gonna be able to find that for pretty cheap. So I guess what we got now is just good for what we're doing. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we got the ZR1 stocks on that bad boy. Gives it a whole new look. This thing looks that much faster. Just that easy. Now the back tires are a little bit skinny. They're supposed to be like the front, which are 275 40s. And the back is like at 255, I think like 50 17. But even though, you know, with those skinny tires on the back, it does look really good. Looks a lot better than it just did, man. What you guys think about the new ZR1, new to me, ZR1 stocks on the Camaro, man? Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Alrighty, man, we wiped this thing down just a little bit. I mean, it's white, so you can't really tell. But like I said, guys, this thing looks really a lot better. Looks like a Camaro should, man. I'm digging it now. One less thing we gotta worry about, and we got a good deal on them. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. We found a cool little deal on the ZR1 wheels, man. Picked them up, swapped them out, went to the auction and stuff. So we changed the tires out for baby walkers and baby car seats. And the sleeping baby. So yeah, man, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I appreciate y'all. Hopefully we can get this thing sold now. I mean, it looks a lot better. So them wheels was like totally throwing it off. Those mix match. I think I like mix match better. Those mix match wheels really just killed the price. So now that all the wheels are matching, it can sell for a lot more. But yeah, guys, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next one, man. Peace.